In this video, you'll learn how to earn $1,000 in PayPal money for free over and over again. Are you interested in that? If you are, I gotta warn you that the only way this can happen is you gotta watch this video until the end. If you skip one of the steps, and there's a few in this video, you'll miss out. And this is not going to be a video where there's unpractical information. There's no BS in the video. And that's actually the goal of this YouTube channel. Hey, I'm Dr. Niki. I talk about all things personal branding and making money online. And me and my team have 2 video editors. We try to upload over 3 videos every single day.
Yeah!
To take over the make money online niche. And the idea is, we don't want to make 20-minute videos where you gotta sit through a long yada 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 talk about something you don't care about. The idea is you want to get the gist of the platform you can make money from, and you can decide whether or not it fits your style of work. So subscribe if you're new and like this video to help us out with the YouTube algorithm. And I can shout you out in one of the next videos. All you gotta do is comment something cool down below, or your Instagram username, YouTube username, TikTok username down below. Just take it, I'll put it in the shout out jar because you're awesome, and shout you out in one of the next videos just like this. Okay, so here is how this method works. This method works with 2 pieces of software. They're both free, right? 2 platforms, absolutely free. Don't worry about it, it's free. First is Linktree, second is Max Bounty. So how do these 2 align together? Well, you go ahead on Linktree, you can see the URL here, linktr.ee/register, and you sign up. Okay, I'm signing up real quick. So you gotta tell them a little bit more about yourself. For example, I'm Niki, I'm interested in music like everybody else.
Creative influencer, wellness, technology, e-commerce.
I'm not a robot. Save your details. You go ahead and here you gotta select the free plan. You're not going to be paying anything, as I told you already. So click on the free plan. It's absolutely everything you need. And I gotta verify my account real quick. Okay, verified now, and I have my Linktree here. So it's basically like your own website. So if you just copy the link, go on a new tab and paste it, I have my own website, my own landing page for free, linktree.ee/Dr. Niki. So how do you make money with this method? Okay, you have a Linktree account, what do you do? Well, you don't need, and you're not going to force anyone to purchase something. The basic idea of this is there's giveaway where you get paid for just referring people to submit their email, nothing else, just you get paid for just collecting emails. It's a very simple thing to do. So you would want to register on Max Bounty, it's free, and you would want to type in something like PayPal. Sometimes they have a registration process where they call you up, but it's very simple. I did it, it only took a little bit. And in this case, you can earn $2.5 per email. So let's say that you have 400 friends on Facebook, all of them register, you could make $1,000, and this link will stay on your profile forever. So you click on one of these links, you build a link, this is how the website works. They gotta fill in their email, click on next, and they can win $1,000 prepaid card. So probably everyone wants to do it. So I'm sure that most of your friends, every friend that you tell will be interested to do it. So you just click on build tracking link here, click on search or maybe social, then click on a row link, and then you have your link right here. And what you want to do on Linktree is you want to click add new link right here and add the URL and a title like free $1,000 gift card giveaway. And look how your Linktree will look right now. Look at that, you have the link. So if someone clicks it, he can enter and you get paid. This is an OBS tutorial. It was very simple as I promised. If this video helped you out, make sure you give it a like. If you're new, subscribe, and remember that a video a day keeps the doctor away. By the end of this video, you should most definitely check one of these 2 videos out. See you next one. Bye.